I am going to teach you how to do a push-up today and how to regress to progress. Hi, I'm Amanda, the body coach. I've been a fitness professional for 20 years, and I'm here to bring you some extreme facts and some value to your health and fitness journey. So, push-ups from the knees. Why don't we do push-ups from the knees? Because we shouldn't, and I'm gonna tell you why we shouldn't do push-ups from the knees. So how do we skip those push-ups from the knees and build that essential upper body and core strength to maximize that wonderful body weight movement? Let's find out. Doing push-ups from the knees is not the best optimal way to learn how to do a proper push-up from your feet, and I'm going to tell you why. So when we're executing a push-up from the knee, it's not allowing us to treat our body as one connected chain. It changes the lever, and it doesn't allow us to properly engage our core as we are regressing a certain percentage of our body weight out of the knee push-up, and again, it's not allowing us to engage our core to its optimal level. A best way and another way to do or learn a proper push-up is incline push-ups, and I do this a lot with many of my clients, striving to achieve how to do that just one effective proper push-up. Incline push-ups. It allows you to regress the angle of the push-up so we can learn proper form to execute that almighty push-up from our feet. So we want to engage the core and recruit a little bit more tension in the legs to help support and maximize that push-up. Let's talk about tension in the legs. So regardless if you're doing an incline push-up or executing a push-up from the floor, you want to drive back through the heels, and you also want to brace through the balls of your feet, allowing you to fire the quads, the front of the legs, engage the glutes, so you have proper execution of that push-up. I want to focus on pushing the heels back away from me, and that's what's going to be that magic pill to engage and fire the front of my legs. Incline push-ups can be executed at many different heights. You can start from the wall, moving down into a bench. You can find a staircase and bang out some incline push-ups. Also a barbell, Smith machine. There's some great angles and inclines that we can really learn how to do the right incline for you push-ups. And that's really important. Finding that right incline for you, not just because it looks cool for someone else to do it. It's all about how you're learning how to do your push-ups.